Choosing a good circular saw can be confusing. Low power, unstable cuts, weak blades, and short battery life often ruin the cutting experience. But modern electric circular saws deliver strong, brushless motors, cordless freedom, and precise cutting performance. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best electric circular saws of 2026. Powerful, portable, and reliable tools perfect for woodworking projects. All links are available in the description for updated prices. Like and subscribe for more tool reviews. Number 5. Electric Goddess 5-inch Circular Saw. The Electric Goddess 5-inch circular saw uses a strong 1,000-watt brushless motor for smooth cutting performance. It runs on DeWalt 20-volt batteries, making it useful for users who already own that system. Its handheld, lightweight build ensures comfort during long woodcutting tasks. The compact body offers great control, especially for trimming and DIY projects. This saw is ideal for beginners who want cordless power and solid cutting efficiency. Number 4. ONEVAN 7-inch 4,000-watt circular saw. The ONEVAN 4,000-watt brushless 7-inch saw delivers extremely strong cutting power for tough woodworking. It supports Makita batteries, adding compatibility and convenience. Its cordless, rechargeable design makes outdoor cutting easy. The larger blade size offers deeper cuts, perfect for furniture building or thick wood planks. With a solid balance of strength and portability, this saw feels like a professional workshop tool you can carry anywhere. Number 3. YOFIDRA 6-inch Multifunction Saw. The YOFIDRA 150mm brushless circular saw offers great versatility for woodworking projects. It supports Makita batteries, and the 6-inch blade size gives accurate control for detailed cuts. The cordless design improves movement while working around tight spaces. It is multifunctional, letting users cut wood pieces for repairs, home projects, or small builds. This tool is ideal for people wanting reliable strength without a heavy, oversized design. Number 2. MIGOAT 6.5-inch Wood Cutter. The MIGOAT 6.5-inch circular saw brings portable cutting power with a brushless motor and lithium battery support. It works with Makita 18 to 21-volt batteries, making it easy to power and replace packs. Its compact one-hand design improves handling during fast cuts. Perfect for job sites or DIY workshops, the saw combines power, comfort, and depth capacity. If you want a smooth cordless cutting experience, this model delivers excellent value. Number 1. Heimerdinger 7 1/4-inch circular saw. The Heimerdinger circular saw stands out with a powerful external rotor motor and 7 1/4-inch carbide-tipped blade. Built for Makita 18V batteries, it gives strong cutting speed and precise finish. Its larger blade size is ideal for heavy projects and professional woodworking tasks. Even without a battery included, the saw offers outstanding versatility, smoother cuts, and durable blade strength. This is a top pick for users needing high performance. If you want cordless power, strong motors, precise blade control, and true cutting freedom, these circular saws are great picks. From DIY projects to heavy woodwork, each model offers value and performance. Comment your favorite and subscribe for more tool videos.